Hi there, welcome back to the Daily Forex channel. If you are new here, you are most welcome. I'm Precious, the creator of the Daily Forex channel. In today's video tutorial, we're going to discuss about Forex trading for beginners. We'll cover some basics of Forex trading. We'll also discuss key concepts and provide some tips to help you navigate the Forex market successfully. Alright, so let's get started. What is Forex? Forex stands for Foreign Exchange, and it is the global marketplace for trading currencies. Unlike the stock market, Forex operates 24/7, allowing traders to make advantages of the market fluctuations in currency exchange rates. So now that we have a basic understanding of what Forex trading is, let's explore some concepts that every trader should know about. Currency pairs. In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs such as Euro and USD, or GBP and JPY. Each pair represents the exchange rate between two currencies. Understanding how currency pairs work is essential for executing a successful trade. For example, if Euro is weaker than USD, then the market will buy, and if USD is weaker than Euro, the market will sell. Same goes for other currency pairs, the same as GBP and JPY. Alright, so now let's talk about pip. What is pip? A pip in Forex makes percentage in points. Pip is the smallest unit of measurement in Forex trading. It represents the price movement of a currency pair. Knowing how to calculate and interpret pips is crucial to managing risks and determine profits of a trade. Another concept is leverage and margin. Leverage allows traders to control larger positions in the market with a smaller amount of capital, but it's essential to understand the risks associated with leverage and how margin requirements works to avoid potential losses. So now that we have covered the basics, let's discuss how to develop a successful trading strategy. If you want to develop a good trading strategy, you need to be good in technical analysis by utilizing charts, understanding indicators and patterns to predict future price movements. This is the fundamental aspect of Forex trading. We'll also explore some technical analysis tools such as moving average, support and resistance level, and how to use them effectively. And also fundamental analysis by understanding the impact of economic indicators such as news and events. And another way to develop a good trading strategy is understanding risk management and psychology. Successful traders not only focus on strategy but also managing risk and maintain the right mindset. Let's discuss some essential aspects of risk management and psychology. By implementing stop loss and take profit orders, it helps protect your capital and lock in profits. Secondly, let's talk about emotion control. Emotional discipline is vital in Forex trading. Emotions like fear and greed, which can lead poor decision making in Forex trading. It is important to plan your trade and hold on to one strategy at a time. You can decide to take up to 50 candlestick profit from a trade and stick to that same trade strategy. Sometimes greed can make a trader lose money. For example, if you enter a trade and you have made more than 50 candlestick profit from the market but decided to stay longer without exiting and taking those profits, the market reverses to the opposite direction and you end up losing all that profit you made from that trade. So that's how greed can make a trader lose money. So with good risk management and psychology, you can have a better trading experience. So now that you have understood about risk management and psychology and you have known these concepts, let's talk about the apps you can trade Forex on. Online Forex is normally traded on MT4 and MT5 as well as TradingView. In TradingView, you can use technical analysis as well as indicators to trade. I use MT5 on mobile to trade as well as PC. So let's start with MT5, which is the upgraded version of MT4 because it has more tools to trade with. MT5 is available on Android and iOS as well as PC. To start trading with MT5, you need a broker that is available on MT5 to trade on MT5. I'm going to show you an overview of how MT5 looks and the indicators and tools you can use to trade and analyze the market on MT5. So let's get started. So now we are on MT5 demo on iOS. To select the currency pairs, we'll go to quotes. We choose on Euro and USD, which is right here. We'll click on that. Then we'll select charts. Okay. When Euro is weaker than USD, the market will buy. And if Euro is stronger than USD, the market will sell. All right. And if you look at the top of the screen, you will see an F sign. If we select that, it will take us to the indicator menu list. Okay, this is where you can select the indicator of your choice. Now if I click on main window, you can clearly see different indicator of which you can choose on, and if you select the indicator, it will show a settings where you can select any color, lines, patterns and levels in which you want the indicator to be. All right, so now if we select indicator for moving average. As you can see, you can clearly see here, you can select a period of 200, shift 0. You can also add color right here, like I said. Then you can select the styles. Okay, then you can choose any line pattern of your choice. So this is where you put on the indicator settings, and you can add levels as well by selecting on the levels right here. You can add levels if you want the levels to be on the chart. So now we have select the moving average. Okay, so if I click on done, you'll see the moving average on the trade. Okay, you can clearly see we're using moving average. Now let's look for the moving average. Now this is the moving average. This line, this purple line right here, is the moving average line. Okay, you can use this moving average to see an uptrend and a downtrend on the trade. Okay, so we're on euro and USD trade. Okay, so if you look at this plus sign, this plus sign, it's what you can use to measure your trade. Okay, you can use this to analyze your trade as well. Select this other sign at the right here. If you select that, you see it's an object. It's a list of objects you can put on your chart. Okay, these objects are very useful for analysis. Now if I select this arrow right here, you can clearly see that I can use it to scale my trade. And also if I select the square line right here, you can clearly see how these tools can help us to trade. All right, so let's select another indicator called the relative strength index. For short term, it's called the RSI. So I'm going to click on main window. I'm going to select the relative strength index right here. Look at it. Then I'm going to click on done. Okay, this is on default. I'm going to click on done. Now you can clearly see that there's a level here 90, and there's a level right here as 10. Okay, now this level at this right here is called the resistance level. Okay, the resistance level right here, the resistance level, and this is the support level. Okay, so when price gets to this point right here, it will retest. Okay, price gets to this resistance level, price will drop down to the support level, which is the support zone. So these are patterns which follows on forex trading. Okay, so right here there's a sell and there's a buy. Okay, so if we put our lot size, this right here called volume is called lot size. Okay, you can put it to 0.2. all right, then you can select on buy or sell. Okay, now let's check how the price is going. Now you can clearly see right here the market is at the resistance zone. Okay, so I'm going to select on sell right here. When you select sell, the market will drop down after some time. Okay, when you can check your trade entry is go to the trade right here. When you go to the trade, you can clearly see the amount of profit or loss which you are making. Then to close the trade, all you do is to select the trade. Then you can modify the trade if you want to set a stop loss. What you do is modify the trade. When you click, you select modify position, then you select the stop loss amount and the take profit amount. This is where you can select the levels of the stop loss and take profit. Okay, then you go back after you select it, see you are on the profit, then you click on the trade. Then if you want to close the trade, you select close position, then you select close trade right here by clicking on that. Okay, you can clearly see that we have closed the trade already. Okay, all right guys, so now that we have discussed about the concept of forex trading, if you find value in this video and you really enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex. I will see you guys on the next video.